Hi, I'm Flo and I recently watched some Live Overflow videos about Minecraft hacking. So first of all, I wanted to say that in my eyes he did a really good job explaining what he did and at the same time showing to a broad audience, the Minecraft community, what hacking is all about and what is good hacking and bad hacking. I just wanted to thank him for that, because it's such an inspiration for me and of course a lot of other people. So with that out of the way, I just wanted to hop into Minecraft and show you what I did and what my basic ideas were. So while I watched some Live Overflow videos, I was mining in Minecraft and was thinking about how I could implement some similar things like him. So after a while it got pretty boring to me, so I thought about how to automate what I'm currently doing. And obviously this is what this project is all about. How to mine in Minecraft without doing everything on your own. Okay, here is what it can do. If I press G, I can record a movement and stop the record with pressing H. This is the basic task I want to replay over and over again. And what this does in the background, it picks all the mouse clicks and the keyboard inputs and saves it to be able to replay in the future again. The replaying task works exactly the same. I click on replay and if I press G, it is doing exactly the same what we previously recorded over and over again. Now the problem is, what if lava or something else comes which can potentially kill us? This is something I haven't implemented yet, but now you can at least do something on your phone while watching with an eye what the bot is doing. But there are some other limitations. For example, the mouse movement is blocked by the Minecraft client application. You can find all of those limitations in the source code in my GitHub repository. So if you came this far, I would like to ask you to give a thumbs up and maybe subscribe to my channel, because now maybe the interesting part for most people is over and I will jump into the code and explain it a bit. Okay, as you can see, I created 3 Python documents for the main class where the graphical user interface and the logic for the user interaction with the program is defined. As you can see, I use Tkinter, I don't know how to pronounce that, but at the end of the document I instantiate a root object and set a geometry for the window. And after that I instantiate my graphical user interface class and start the main loop. So in the main loop I set a master, a title, a text label, a button or 2 buttons actually, and another label. Now what the buttons do, they call the record or replay method, and those methods delegate to the other Python files where specifically is programmed what to do when the button is pressed. Okay, let's talk about the record class. It is maybe the simplest class. It instantiates mouse and keyboard event arrays and fill them when we are recording. Now the replayer is a little bit more complex, but what happens here is if the replay button is pressed and G is pressed, 2 new threads are started, one for the loop breaker and one for replaying the loop. Now the loop breaker listens for the keyboard input H to stop the replaying loop, and the replaying loop is obviously replaying the mouse and keyboard events. The 2 special things here are that first it is checked if even some events are available, and second it instantiates another 2 threads which replays the mouse and keyboard events separately. And now I'm coming to the end, and I would be happy if you create some issues in GitHub or make even a pull request if you have any good idea to make my code better. Thanks.